In current electricity, few numericals I am going to discuss. The first one is first problem numerical, the effective resistance between A and B. How to find out the effective resistance between A and B? It is very simple. In between A and B is A is a where the point A and let us take B, C, D. Let us assume here A and C are the common potential points and D and B are the two common potential points. So those we can join. The A and C are the common potential as, so A and C at one place we can write, and D and B are other common potential points. D and B we can write at one point. In between A and D, one resistance is there that we can write here. In between D and C, one resistance is there. D and C, one resistance is there. In between and C and B, one more resistance is there. This is a C, it is a B. In between C and B, one more resistance is there. Such a manner all are becoming parallel. So 1 by R is R dash is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. The effective resistance will be 3 by R and R dash will be R by 3. The correct answer here, it will be R by 3, the effective resistance of the circuit. When you are coming to the second question, so it is seems to be similar, but here one more resistance is there. These are different points. All are the different points. We can take A, B, C and D. Let us take how to solve this problem. Let us put the A, B, C and D are the different points. In between A and D, one resistance is there. In between A and C, one resistance is there. Then we can write here. In between C and B, one more resistance is there. C and B, one more resistance is there. In between C and D, D and B, one more resistance is there. In between C and D, another resistance. In that sense, P by Q equal to R by S. All are equal resistance. R. As all are the same resistance, the current is, it is a follows the Wheatstone principle. So P by Q equal to R by S, or R by R is equal to R by R. So no current flows through the middle circuit. The middle circuit doesn't conduct any current, so this R and R will be in series, so there will be 2R. R and R, this R and R will be in series 2R. In between A and B, the effective resistance will be 2R, and down also 2R. The 2R will be in parallel, so effective resistance R will be 1 by R is equal to 1 by R dash is 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R. This will be 2 by 2R. 2 will be get cancelled, 1 by R. So therefore the final answer is R dash is equal to R. This answer. When coming to the third question here, it is also just it is a mesh. When you, it is, let us put the A, B, C, D, E. We want to find out the effective resistance E and D. Simply we have to we have to pull it there. Then it will becomes like a Wheatstone bridge. Similar manner, it will be, we can do like this. Similar way, this will be just like this triangle. We should not disturb as it is. The rest of the thing is these two resistors are coming like this when you pull, and one more resistance will come over here. Whatever the D is here, here C is here. C and E are the common points. It is R. All are in, what is that, just like it is also R. It follows the Wheatstone bridge. Middle one will be get cancelled, as middle one doesn't conduct any current because of it following the Wheatstone principle. R and R in series, R and R in series. R plus R is 2R, R plus R is 2R. It is a 2R in parallel. Just before we did is in effective resistance is R. This also, this R is in series. R and R is R dash will be 2R. The final answer. Here R and R in series. So R plus R is 2R. R and R in series. This is also R. R and R in series. 2R. 2R to R in parallel. R will become. That R and R is in series. So it will become again. Answer will be 2R. Next, coming to the fourth question. Here we have to take in between A and B resistance we want to find out. But B, let us take C, D. So instead of taking the C and D, if it is B, this is also B because it's connected to the same point. Is also B. All are common points. So we can write the B at one point, O at another point, and A at this point. In between the here B and O one resistance is there. So B and O one resistance is there, and B and O one more resistance is there, then two resistors are B and O. Next because this point is a common potential points that I am writing at one point. So in between these two, as B, this B same point means what, there is no resistance means common potential, and in between O and A one resistance is there, that we can write as one resistance. Here in between the B and A directly one more resistance is there, then this is one more resistance, it is a 2R. Now coming to the point, this is 2R, this is a 2R. 2R, 2R in parallel, this together will become R. This R, this is also R. RR becomes 2R again. This 2R and 2R, this will be in parallel. 2R and 2R, the effective resistance will be R.